Okay, so welcome you all to the Pathfinder IS Club. My name is Sachin, and today we will see what exactly our optional subject guidance program is. Okay, before we move further, I want you to focus on our tagline, which says give right direction to your preparation. And why it is so, you'll get to know this about this at the end of this presentation. Presentation will not long for more than 5-6 minutes. Okay, so before going to the features of the program, let me introduce you our mentors. So this is the list of our mentors. It makes no sense to read all the names of mentors and optional subject and everything here, but I know you are all interested in only one of them. But let's see overview, like who are the mentors working with the Pathfinder IS Club. We have two IS officers, then we have one IPS officer, two IRS officers, one officer who is into corporate law services, one who is working with Ministry of Home Affairs, right? Also, we have people who are from IITs and IIMs working, like they have agreed to be mentors in Pathfinder IS Club. Okay, so my point is they are all very experienced. They are all very good at their optional subjects, and they are all have been mentor to people before also. Like, and they have taught also. Like many of them, if you see, Akshay has conducted many sessions on his optional subject. Even Nivruti has conducted his optional subject in the Pune. So there are many people who have also taught these subjects in different coaching classes before joining to services. So. And some of them have also cleared JRF. Like if you see Nikita and Sumit, they have also cleared JRF in their respective optional subjects. So this is the team we have at Pathfinder IS Club. And about them, you can, if you are interested in one of the subject, you can ping me and we can discuss further about how the program will be. So let's move on to the features of the program first, and then we can take up the questions. First and foremost, the feature is about resources. All these mentors will share what are the resources important for those particular for that particular optional subject. Okay, this will be the first call. Like when you call them, first call they will tell you about the resources of the particular optional subject. Then about second point, this point is very important because many of the people are asking me about, is this a test series? So the point is, this is not a test series. They will provide feedback on your written answers. That will be like 1 or 2 questions per week, but again there it will be like comment format, not a detailed evaluation kind of thing. Again, this is not a test series, this is a mentoring program where we are more focused on giving you direction than giving feedback on your written answers as such. Then third, it is most important part of this program, weekly call with the mentor, because whatever you are going to study in entire week, you can ask doubts related to your optional subject to your mentor. This call will not be more than 20 minutes, maybe 15 to 20 minutes, because these are the people we are, they are in the services and they are very busy people. So it will be like 15 to 20 minutes maximum, where you can ask them whatever you have studied, what is your plan, what do you want to study in the next week, maybe what difficulty you faced in particular topic of the optional subject, that you can discuss with them. Okay, time you can fix with them, like it depends, it's very flexible, it depends upon your and mentors time. About the fourth point, as many of you must have seen that we are already providing news articles in the group, but if some optional is related more current oriented like PSIR maybe, then the mentor will send you personally the links related to that particular optional subject. Then the point number 5 is related to point number 2 itself, that feedback will be given in the form of comment, not in detailed evaluation format. uh, Mentors will tell you the kind of questions which are being asked in the previous years, the trends which are recently, what are the trends in last 3-4 years maybe. So these things you can discuss with the mentor about your optional subject, the trends in the previous year question papers, and the kind of preparation you should do. Then sixth point, as we already discussed, that these are the very well qualified people. Many of them are officers and most of them have very good experience of like 5-6 years in the civil services. They have scored exceptionally high in their particular optional subjects and everything. And last thing, the program is very affordable. Like I'm very tempted to say this, like it is a kind of big bazaar tagline, isse sasta aur acha kahin nahi milega. But again, like while saying that, I want to put this point that we are not here to make business. because the kind of money we are asking for, it is very small, and all these people are officers, so they get good amount of salary from the government of India, so they are not even behind of this money. What my point is, why we are asking for money, because there will be continuity and obligation on us also to make weekly call, first thing. And second thing, uh, if like it will be our commitment, but from this program what we actually want to achieve is that add value to your preparation. Okay. And by how we can add value to your preparation, by giving you right direction in the whole these 3 months basically. Okay, so that is our basic purpose, like giving right direction and adding value to your preparation. Okay, and that is why we are like asking for minimal cost of 3,000 rupees. So yeah, that's it about the program. Like even if you join the program, it is good, and even if you don't join the program, I want you to start preparing, because we have only 90 days this time around. And yeah, all the best, do well. Now we can open our session for the question and answer. Yeah, let me just stop this sharing the screen.